now I'm at the Mandarin Gallery. It's a nice marine mascot and the Christmas tree right here. There's so many games here for both the adults and the parents. I mean the kids. Basketball. Too cute Santa Claus. Small Christmas tree in front. Christmas on a great street. Since the 1980s, I think 1987 they started the first one. Every year since then, there are one. Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at the Orchard Road. Today is the second day of the Christmas light up. They opened yesterday, and I'm now at the Great Christmas Village by Dystopia. There's a kind of amusement games here. Lots of games. Yesterday night was here as well, very crowded. If you come the daytime, it's less crowded and less as well. In front of Without Place right now, there's a nice Christmas decorations. Look at this. It's curious and Mr. Santa. Too cute Santa Claus. Small Christmas tree in front. Christmas on a great street. Since the 1980s, I think 1987 they started the first one. Every year since then, there are one. There's a nice decoration just outside the Wisma area, and also some Christmas decoration. Let's check out. This is our favorite spot for the photos. This is Merlin. Yeah, it's called the Great Christmas Village by Dystopia. Right here, the Nyan City, Takashimaya. I'm standing right in front of the Nyan City. Look at that. 14 meters, you heard it at 4 meters. Christmas tree right in front of the Nyan City. Standing directly underneath the Christmas tree right now. 14 meters.
Opportunity and partnership. A chance to create something together. To build better for people and planet. As it has for over a century. It's the next breakthrough in
Singapore was invited to an exclusive preview of the Great Christmas Village.
There's so many games here for both the adults and the parents. I mean the kids. Basketball, mini bowling, slingshot, lucky road, throw hook, lucky coin, boulder roller, tin can alley. There are also toys for sale here. Wow. bit of the mascot. And by the way, if you guys enjoy the video so far, subscribe and give a like so you never can find the video. Thanks very much. This is the Pada Christmas tree just outside Paragon Shopping Center opposite Takashimaya. Come here, you get a different kind of vibe and view, and look at the streets. Look kind of different from daytime, right? Let's see inside Takashimaya, any nice decorations. Nice decorations. There's a snowfall show at 9 PM. It lasts for 4 minutes. There's snow coming out from the either side.